Today, Ayurveda is becoming quite popular in the West. Is it a part of the Vedas also? Yes, Vedas has different branches of knowledge, and Ayurveda is a part of it. Ayurveda is one such branch that deals with Ayu, or our life, our longevity, our health, etc. Ayurveda, how to live properly in this world, how to take care of the body. Now, the Ayurveda basically, you can say, is the real medical science. How? According to the Vedic understanding, this material nature is composed of five gross elements. They are earth, water, fire, air, and ether. So our body also is composed of five elements. But Ayurveda is actually the medical science, real medical science. The understanding begins with this body, which is made of five gross material elements: earth, or solid substance, like our bones made of solid substance; water, this body, human body, is practically 75% water or liquid. Then fire, in the body we see temperature. This naturally there is fire in the body, and this fire is actually providing the energy by digesting the food and so forth. Then air, we are breathing, it's a clear indication of air. And ether, beyond air is ether. So these are the five elements with which the human body is made of. But out of these five elements, three are predominant. Those three elements are water, fire, and air. The human body is predominantly active with these three elements: water, fire, and air. And when these three elements are in perfect harmony, the human body is healthy. But when the human body becomes, there is disharmony or imbalance, or there is discord, you can say, among these elements, then water with earth creates mucus. Fire with water creates bile. And air with ether creates the diseases that are caused by Vayu, or aerial diseases. All the diseases in the human body is actually stemming from these three components or three factors: mucus, bile, and air. And an Ayurvedic doctor, the science of Ayurveda actually teaches one to see the condition of these three factors, mucus, bile, and air, by feeling the pulse. The pulse has three aspects, and by these three fingers, a doctor actually feels the condition of these three movements. And that's how they figure out which one is in disharmony, which one needs repair. And the third aspect of Ayurveda is that nature has provided cure for all diseases. For every single disease, nature has given the cure. And they learn the art of finding out which is the cure for which disease. So this is how you can see how scientific the original culture of medicine used to be, that is coming from time immemorial, from the very beginning of creation, in this way. And still today, it is prevalent. And the proper practitioner of this medicine, proper practitioner of this science can cure any disease. Of course, ultimately, we have to recognize that human beings are mortal. Man is mortal. Ultimately, we have to die. No matter whoever we are, eventually we have to die. But the consideration is, as long as we are living, let's live with a healthy body. Thank you.